Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we're going to do block 6 of the Designer Mystery Block of the Month from Fat Quarter Shop. And this one is designed by April Rosenthal, and it's called Coastline. So I've got all the pieces cut out, along with the one row of finishing strips. And let's get to the sewing machine. Okay, they want us to take B and D, and I've already drawn my line from corner to corner, and we'll put one corner here. And I'll just chain piece these. Okay, we've got our 4 corner squares done. Now we're to take A, C, and E, and that is the order we want them in. We want to sew C to A. That right side up. This one is not. Okay, I'll have to take that apart. I do not have them right sides together, but I'm going to finish these first. And we are going to press away from the middle, both times. We'll put E here. Okay, let me get these pressed open. Okay, now we're just going to set those aside for the minute, and we're going to take F and I, and we're going to make some flying geese. Let's make sure these cover. Okay, that one's good. one's good. Okay, let me get these pressed and trimmed, and then we'll put on the other side. Okay. Now you have to press these open because this goes over this. You want them to cross because you need a 1/4 inch seam there. Okay, those are good. Let me get them trimmed and pressed. Okay, we have our flying geese. Now we're going to put these on. Now press to the outside squares. Okay, let me get this pressed and we'll start putting our rows together. So I guess we're going to put the star together first and then add the rows. That is not right. Yes, it was. Right sides together. And you want to cross, there's a seam here and a seam here, and you want to cross right in the intersection. Okay, we're going to pin these. We want to nest these seams. Pin those in place. Hold at the end so that it doesn't want to move. Okay, let's get this pressed. We're going to attach these. The checkered part, or the plaid part, is going to go next to the star, and the white will go to the outside. I want the white to the top and this towards the bottom, towards the other plaid. The corner towards the plaid. Okay, and we will press towards the center. All right, now we're going to pin the side, top and the bottom to the middle. We're going to nest the seams. Okay, and there we have our block. We've got a sawtooth star inside a churn dash design, which is framed by borders. And now we're going to put on the first row of the finishing strips. Every block's first row is white. Okay, now that that's pressed, we can put these on. Make sure it's right sides together. Okay, and there you have it, block 6. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you join me for block 7.